is having issues with his main line. Bunch of roots inside the sewer. This is obviously not a proper clean out. What they did here was, if you guys look closer, there was an existing test Y here. So they just kind of dug it up, stubbed in a 4-inch piece of ABS, put a cap on it, and laid mortar all around it. Obviously it's sturdy, but it's not the right way to do it. And unfortunately it's not a two-way, so we can't go upstream. We have to go through the roof to get behind the clean out. This whole section behind it is intruded with roots. We're gonna dig this up a little more, expose it, cut it, solid two-way clean out. We shouldn't be able to move this, but this section is compromised. It's weak. Shouldn't be able to just kick it over, but it's okay. We're gonna fix that. But you can see here, there's a bunch of roots growing inside of the pipe through this joint. The whole line inside it's full of roots. Once we get it open and exposed, we'll show you guys what it looks like. And look at how weak the pipe is. So you can see this is the cast iron going under the house. I'm not too sure how much cast iron is left, but I can take a look. But you can see the whole thing is going to be cracked all the way in. Move some of this out the way. Over here.
You still got that roof? Show it like that.
So this is a part of the root that was inside the cast iron. If you want to take a look closer, you'll see more root inside the pipe.
Right here, we're going to be replacing the sewer line. We're going to cut right above this bell so we can get our new connection.
No main spot. That's on the other side of the foundation. As you can see, we're going to tunnel under it so we can lay the new sewer line. That's going to exit to the front towards the clean out. There's roots all up in here, look. Roots growing all the way in there into the secondary drain.
Let me see.
And this sewer line, this drain line is cracked from the bottom. As you can see, there's also roots growing in there. There, guys. We got roots growing inside the secondary drain. That's a first. Wow. That's crazy, bro. This is your secondary drain that comes from the two showers. We cut it so we could get an inside visual. There is roots growing inside as well. They made it all the way into the secondary drain.
Yeah, it's super straight.
It's all in the cast iron. The whole cast iron is full of roots.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Roots in the cast iron. It's not impossible, but this is not something you see often.
I see that.
Look at this. It's massive, guys. Look at that. You guys ready to see this? All right. It's not something we see often, but I'm impressed. I'm amazed on how much there is inside this cast iron, because it's not something that usually happens over here inside the cast iron, you know. Let's see. Look at that. Oh, we can't even get it out. It's so far in there, guys. Let's look at this massive root. Look at this.
Can you pull it?
See if I can pull it out. Nope. Oh yeah, look.
There you go.
Under the house, guys. Now, that's impressive. Wow. It's dirty, so we're wearing gloves. My gloves ripped. Damn it. No problem. That's disgusting. Looks like an animal. And if you look over here, we still got more pieces, but we'll get those later. It's another day in the office, guys. This is waste. So these roots, they're growing, they're striving with all the waste that goes on there. It's like manure for grass. Roots, it's natural fertilizer. So they grow thicker and thicker, and they just keep growing. They just strive. They won't stop. Hydrojetting is an option, but it's temporary. Why is it temporary? Because you're just shaving. You're cutting them out. What happens when you shave your face? Your hair grows back. Roots, you cut them, they grow back. So that, because the customer didn't want a temporary solution here, they wanted a permanent solution. So we're replacing the cast iron all the way out to the front transition where the clean out will be. And customers aren't going to have any more issues with roots. Good amount of roots in here. Pretty much this whole line was just destroyed by these roots. Yeah, it's no good.
What'd you find there?
I don't even know. I can't pull it out.
Wait, is that a root?
Yes. Oh no, this is the root.
That's a root?
Yeah, bro, that's a root. Thought it was a white water line. That's how big these roots are.
Oh.
That's crazy. Yeah, bro. Yeah, this is a big bad root infestation. We left it outside, I forgot. Huh? Alright guys, we're gonna head back outside of the front of the house so we can finish pulling out that 4-inch cast iron sewer line. Let's go. Alright guys, we're here on the other side of the house. Let's pull the rest of this cast iron sewer line out. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Okay, so we got all this cast iron out. Now we can get ready to connect our ABS to our clay pipe right here. Glue heading out. Alright guys, we're cutting 2-inch pipe. Boom. We love that. You can't even tell, but to the eye you won't be able to tell, but right here, right on the money.